I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers. The one that I like to use is Deep Caramel. And then I'm going to use Deep Chestnut on the inside portion of my eyes. And I'll show you exactly how I plan on doing that. So I'm just going to apply this here and this here. I'm trying not to use too much concealer like I used to, even though it's kind of hard to do when you're just like a makeup junkie. You know, highlight in the usual places. And let's go ahead and blend that out. So now I'm going to apply Deep Chestnut on the inner portion of my eyes just to give a little bit of a highlight. Nothing too drastic, just a little bit here and here. These are like $6 a piece. So if I buy 2 of them, it's still less than it would be if I bought a concealer from like Sephora, and they work pretty well. So I don't mind. I am going to use another shade by e.l.f. in the Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is Rich Ebony.